keyboard.
Rolli, I swear to God, what are you talking about?
Let me show you. See, I told you this was sick.
How the heck do you even find this cool?
I just do. Do we got a problem, puss?
Jesus, yeah, dude, we do actually.
Watch how a professional does it. Let me try the trumpet. I know I'm just okay. This is the highest quality you could get ever in the world. Rita, this is no toy.
Well, stop being a coward. Play the damn instrument.
Okay. I think there's something wrong with it.
Rolli, you're just bad at playing the trumpet.
Wow, Rita. Great. Just great.
That wasn't even my fault.
Hey, ihr! Kommt zurück!